Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you guys today to talk about that weekend purse. Let me get the pattern for you guys who wasn't with us. Last time, the last project was a weekend purse, and here it is right here, you guys. This is the weekend purse, and can you guys see it? There we go. Um, and it literally took a weekend, you guys. I did this in 2 days. But as I was doing it, I did something different. You know me. So I want to tell you guys the measurements of this purse, and then we'll start talking about my purse, right? So what we have for the measurements for this purse, we have the purse is 11 by 14. It is worked in single and double crochet. Okay. They do have a phone, a cell phone holder. I did not make that because I have one already. So I didn't need to make another one. And so now, you guys, I'm going to show you my purse and we'll get into what I did to my purse. All right, let me get it. Let me get it, you guys. And here is my purse. It's my strap, you guys. This is my purse right here. I hope you can see it. As you can see, you guys, there is some changes to the original pattern. So this is it. This is the back. Let's open it. And there it is. Okay, so my purse is just the opposite. I actually did my purse 14 by 11, which is this purse is 11 by 14. And I did mine 14 by 11. I wanted mine shorter and wider for my purse. So you guys know I have notes because I always want to come and give you guys the best that I have. So in my notes, let me just refer to those. Okay, so what I end up doing, you guys, using the foundation of the purse and making it my own, just by tweaking a little bit of what they have there. The skill level was easy for this purse right here. And yeah, I so enjoy working it up, getting to know some of the stitches. It's worked in a single and a double, and I'm telling you guys, I think I've said this before when we were working the dish towels, I believe, is that the single and the double crochet, oh my word, they go together so well, you guys. Oh my word, I am so serious. Okay, so my bag, one of the things I was doing, what I did with mine is I actually made my straps wider than what they had their straps. So this is my strap right here. Theirs were a little bit thinner. Now what came with this, when we talked about in the last video, you guys, is that they gave me the D-rings, and what came in the kit was the button, and then I had a button for the cell phone holder. So they gave me all of the hardware, which is so amazing, right? Have all you need to do what you need to do. So I made my strap wider with my D-rings right here. And another thing that I did was I the stitches. I wanted to talk about these stitches because the single and the double crochet are so beautiful together that I'm truly going to use these stitches again in something else. So when I made my purse, you guys, there was a couple of things that I wanted to test, you know, because sometimes when you make a crochet purse, stuff be like falling through, things be happening. So one of the things that I wanted to do was test it. So I took my purse and I pulled on it, right? Okay, so could you guys see that right there? Okay, so these stitches, even though I pull, I had put all of my things in my purse to see if you can see through my purse. And you cannot see it. Oh my word. You cannot see my things in here. And I thought it was just so amazing because even though I'm pulling it right here, you still can't really see, you know, the stitches. I mean, what would be in the purse, which I thought was just awesome because I've made purses and you can see. So that was a plus. Okay, so another thing that I did was I put writing pens and stuff in here to make sure that they didn't fall out. Okay, they did not fall out, you guys. They did not fall out. I was in so of all of this, right? That I'm like so hooked on the single and the double together because when you stitch these two up together, what I found out is that okay, so and then when you stack them on top of each other on your rows going this way, it literally is like seaming up these stitches, right? I would have never thought of that. Oh my word. So yeah, I'll be using it in some other good stuff for sure. So I put some pins in here, you guys. They did not fall out. I was shaking it and doing everything I needed to do with that, and it did not fall out. Okay, so the next thing was I did not like the flap that they had on the pattern. Let me get that. Okay, so this triangle thing, flap right here, me personally, I just didn't like that. And I didn't like mine this long as either. But I just didn't like that. So what I did was, as you can see from my bag, let me button it up there. Here we go. So what I did was I actually made it square like my bag. Okay. And I put a picot border on it. For you guys who don't know what a picot border is, I put it on my shawl, the Sedona shawl. I put the same picot around it. And I love the way this came out because it just looks so elegant with it. It gives the purse so much elegance about it. And I really like it. And then when you button it up, which I'm doing right now, then when you button it up, it just looks so nice. Just looks so nice. Okay. So my next thing I was thinking, okay, so do I need to put a lining in this or not? And I thought about this, you guys. I said, okay. So I put my things back in my purse and I was seeing how it was held up. And when I put them in there, it starts slooping a little. You know, it's yarn. So it starts slooping a little and not much, depending on what you put in your purse. So I said, you know what? Just because I didn't want my purse to be all out of whack, you know, if I wear it multiple times, which I plan on doing, I didn't want it to be stretched out. So lo and behold, you guys, I will be put a liner inside my purse to match this. So I will come back again. I mean, if you guys want to see how I put the lining inside here, just leave a comment in the comment, in the comment section saying that you want to see the lining. How did I put a lining in here? Because I do plan on doing that. And yeah, you guys, I had such a wonderful time working this up. I loved it. And I think that is it for me, you guys. Let me check my notes because, I'll be trying to bring it as much as I can for you guys when it comes to me working up these beautiful crochet projects. I absolutely just adore. I learn as I am working it up and how they're doing it, but yet when I do get a little like, hey, you know what, I think I would like mine to look like this, you know, and that's the beauty of it. I love it, to just change it just a little bit, you know, to what I like. And every time I have that opportunity, I always take that and I run with it. But I'm so happy to come to you guys today and present that to you guys. I wanted to make the video. I have not gotten the next project, have not come in the mail, and I wanted to bring this to you guys. You know what? I forgot to tell you guys the weight of the yarn. So if you guys, you know, if you would like to make this purse, I have started a group on Facebook. It's called Just Crochet. And I have put some patterns and stuff in there, and it's a private group, and we can come together and we can talk about some things, talk about crochet, the things that we love, and help each other out, and show our excuse me, y'all, projects. Show our projects and talk about it. So if you you know, would like to do that, go ahead over there and go ahead and join. But the yarn that was used here was it was Annie's yarn, and it was a, let me see, it was a medium weight yarn. It was 435 yards, approximately, and they gave me 2 balls of yarn. So yeah, if you guys want to make that, or if you just want to subscribe to Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club, that is what it's called. I am not sponsored by them at all. I do like what they do, as far as the projects and everything and what you can learn. And I love to share what is so you know, awesome to me. I like to share with other people. So if you are interested, it is Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. It is a monthly subscription, and I get it every month. And it's with everything from shipping and taxes. It's like $27 a month. Okay. Okay, guys, that is so it for me. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, you guys. And if you want to subscribe, just hit the subscribe button. If you want to know when is my next video gonna come out, just go ahead and hit that bell symbol. And I will see you good people later. But remember, when you are working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys later on the next video. Bye.